Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is chapter 6 composition of matter. Let's do the exercises. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, identify the odd term out and explain. Question number 3, answer the following question: A, B, and C. Question number 4, give 2 examples each. Question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 7, A. Question number 7, B. Question number 7, C. Question number 7, D. Question number 8. Project: collect the wrappers and make a chart of foodstuffs and discuss with your friend. Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.